Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the watch face down on a soft cloth and the spring bar tool in hand. Start by locating the small spring bars where the band meets the lug. Press one end of the bar inward with the tool to free the flange. Do this slowly so the bar doesn't fly out. Once one side pops free, slide the band gently away from the lug. Repeat on the other side. Make sure to keep both spring bars. If they are removable, set them aside for reuse. You'll first inspect the lug width and confirm the replacement band fits that measurement in millimeters. Thread the spring bar into the new band end so it sits squarely in the channel. This stabilizes the bar while you work. With one end sitting against the lug, compress the opposite end and align it with the lug notch. Ease it into place until you hear or feel the click. Once seated, wiggle gently to ensure both sides are locked and the band sits flush. You should now verify the band is secure by applying a firm pull in opposing directions. If it holds, you're done. If the pin refuses to seat, don't force it. Release, realign the bar, and try again with better lighting or a magnifier. Once seated correctly, clean any fingerprints and test wearing the watch for several minutes to confirm comfort and retention. Keep spare spring bars and your tool in a safe place. They solve most issues quickly if anything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.